What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. My name is Drew, and today I'm putting my 200-pound, 6-foot tall body weight on this Amazon standing desk just to prove it is absolutely worth $100. Let's get into it. If you're in the market for a standing desk, or if you're looking for an affordable way to turn any desk into a standing desk, then this video is for you. I've always wanted a standing desk, but have had two main complaints. The price tag varies wildly from $100 to $1,000. And my other complaint is I don't really think they look all that great. It's two mechanical legs with a board slapped on top, and as you see in the video, hiding the cables can be challenging unless you put some serious effort into cable management. I ultimately decided to pull the trigger on this $100 option from Amazon with the logic that even if it only lasts for 1 year and then breaks, I could literally buy it 9 more times before I'd have to spend $1,000 on a pricier alternative. The desk comes in different sizes and colors, but I opted for the black 48-inch for two reasons. My ultimate goal is to attach these legs to a more fancy desk that will conceal the legs in the future, but still provide the functionality of a standing desk. The other reason that I was interested in this desk is for the time being, I wanted to have a small workstation for editing my YouTube videos that was capable of holding two monitors. The process to put this desk together was simple and genuinely involved screwing the boards to the desk, attaching the height selector, and plugging it into the wall. The whole process took me about 20 minutes, and I'm confident that anyone can do this regardless of their skill level. The desk has three pre-programmable buttons to select various heights and is perfect for my wife and I. She's shorter than I am, which allows her to utilize the number 2 function, and I use number 3 for my standing preference. I'm 6 foot tall, and I would imagine this could accommodate anyone as tall as probably 6'5", as I do not personally use this on the highest setting. The lowest setting is 28 inches and the highest is 46 inches. I've included some B-roll of the office chair rolled completely underneath the desk to give some context. The desk does come with two zip ties to help with cable management, and while they are helpful, I would suggest picking a few more at your local store. I grabbed an 8-foot surge protector and used some 3M Velcro to stick to the underside of my desk, which has worked well and allows me to not worry about electrical cords being too short when the desk is in the standing position. The desk also comes with two hooks on both sides of the desk, which is convenient to hang headphones or possibly even a backpack or work bag. As you can see by the opening of this video, the desk will support my 200-pound weight despite the motor being rated for around 175 pounds. I'm not sure that anyone ever has 200 pounds of weight on their desk, but for me this was important as I intend to attach these to a heavier desk in the future. The desk is stable and does not have any rocking in either direction when being used, and provides ample room for items thanks to the monitor arms that I picked up and the laptop stand that frees up nearly the entire desk space for use. I'll put a link to this desk as well as the monitor arms and laptop stand if you'd also like to copy this setup. If you're new to my channel, please consider liking and subscribing to the video as I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel, and it goes a long way to help spread the word. And that's going to be it for me today. So thanks so much for your attention, and I'll let you get back to it.